Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this is just going to be a short vlog. I'm on my way home on Friday, the 5th of January, and I've had a very, very, very busy day, but it has been a productive day, and it's kind of crazy because it is 10 degrees outside, according to my car. This morning it was -4. This weekend, the east side is supposed to get hit like crazy with snowstorm, and they're saying that we will be hit as well. So my boss has already sent out an email saying, good grief, I want to get over. People are crazy. So my boss has already sent out an email saying, not good grief, he wants to get over. He was saying that on Monday, if we needed to work from home, that would be okay, given the idea that we're having this big snowstorm. So that is something I wanted to prepare for today in case that happened, because I needed to get some other things done, and I still didn't pick up the things that I had printed that I needed to do. So that's all right, I can reprint them at home, but it's just kind of a pain. And then Tuesday I'm going to get my car looked at because the silly heater doesn't heat the driver's side. Like the passenger side heat comes out just fine, but the driver's side heat, it's not coming out of the little vent things. It's cold air coming out, so I don't even turn the vent part on. I leave it on my feet or on the defrost because it's freezing cold. And so that's going to be looked at. But I also have some really, really cool news. I got a surprise from my husband, and he is getting a remote start put in, so that is cool, which is really cool because he is my remote start right now. And yeah, that's funny. But he is, you know, so I'm getting that put in. I don't know when. I need to call them. I tried to call earlier and I didn't get an answer, so I will call again. I might call still today because I'd like to get that in as soon as possible. And yeah, especially with it being so freezing cold. So that's where we stand today. So today, Dennis and I are going to go out for dinner because I got my approval for my surgery, which is all talked about on my Transforming Tammy channel. The link is down below if you guys are interested in that. But I am having bariatric surgery on the 19th of January, and all of that was approved, and I start my I've already been doing a high protein, low carb diet, but I'm doing the restricted diet starting on Saturday. So tonight I'm not going to go crazy, but I am going to do a high carb. We're going to go out for steaks, so that sounds fabulous. I think I will get steak, and I was going to get a baked potato and just kind of do a little bit of carb with my baked potato, but right now I'm not even feeling baked potato. I'm kind of feeling broccoli, so we'll see how I feel when we get there. I'm letting this be not my last meal, but you know, kind of a treat meal, but I'm not going to have dessert or anything like that. I'm not going nuts because I want to do everything I can to make this the best it can be. This is my shot. So there's that, and then what else do I have planned for this weekend? I need to do some more knitting because I love it, and I need to work on some paper crafts, and I'm thinking I'm going to go get a mani and pedi so I can be ready for both the hospital and because my nails are brittle, and they're all just breaking. It's awful with this weather and chill and all of that. So I think I'm talked myself into getting a acrylic manicure again, so I don't know. That's where I'm leaning right now. We'll see how I feel tomorrow. I also need to get my hair cut, and yeah, I'm just gonna get all dolled up, I guess, ready for what comes. And this is a really short update or a vlog, but I don't think I have much else going on. I don't plan on going to any craft stores this weekend, really. I think I have enough stuff to do what I need to do this weekend. I might go to the Dollar Tree, and that's probably it. If I do, I mean, it depends on what I get, if I do a haul or not, because if it's 3 items, it's no use doing a haul. But if I find some cool things, because I've seen some people hauling some really kind of cool things, so if I find some cool things, I will let you all know. And I guess that's it. So I will talk with you all soon. I hope that you guys have a fantastic weekend and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.